if you come out to nature, you can kind of see the whole universe right here. And first thing I want to do is throw away all the social construct, because that's just not part of nature. That's part of mind, which is part of nature, but we'll get into that later. How the sun acts on planet Earth. It takes all of the Earth's elements and atoms and makes them breathe by rising and falling. So you got this. That is Earth. That's why there are plants here that come up out of the ground from the heat of the rising. Now the whole universe is like this. But we have this nice little pocket of this little heaven where we get to see the full functioning reality of the universe right here. The universe is a breathing being. It is the atom. And just like you see in the Fibonacci sequence, it's a spiraling breathing. The water on this planet is rising and falling. All through the ground, it is the medium. Through the ground and through the sky, it goes through everything. Water, earth, fire, and air. It is the breathing element as one. And it's all just a part of the atom. It's so beautiful. The whole universe is a fractal within itself. A breathing fractal. It's hard to observe from just right here, but the whole universe looks like this. Nature is very beautiful. I hope everybody gets out and to see this. Go out into nature. Meditate some more.